Welcome everyone to this Honda Integra project. We guide you through it using photos and videos captured before I started recording for the channel. I hope you enjoy it. When viewing the car, it was sitting down on one of the corners. After driving home, I spoke to my brother-in-law about putting the car on his ramp for an inspection, and you'll see there by the spring, this is the condition that I drove home in, not knowing that. We knew about some rust issues on the arches etc, but not to this extent. So while it was on the ramp, we went poking with a screwdriver and uncovered the true damage of the car. Unfortunately, this was the case with both sides of the vehicle, but I only have pictures from one. Once we had uncovered all the rotten areas and we cut away the rust, we started shaping up new metal and welding it in place. While on the ramp, we sourced some new parts to fit to replace the tired and otherwise broken parts that were on the vehicle to make it safe and back to standard. Once the welding was complete, we used Raptor to underseal the vehicle. We tinted it black to the same colour of the car and rebuilt everything back up. Thinking that was it complete, but unfortunately the MOT uncovered some more extent of damage that had to be rectified on the car. To be honest, I didn't go prodding too much at the front. We were only focused on the back, which was an oversight on my part, but you'll see here we got the job done in the end. Once roadworthy, Super Danny received the car and started work on correcting the paint on the two back quarters. The only thing now that was tired was the engine bay, so we stripped some of it down and freshened it up using wrinkle paint.
It fucked me!
You see my son Paul there under the car, having fun and games. We had a few issues with the exhaust donut gasket, but we got that rectified. Just a walk around of the completed car. It's not 100% perfect, but it's another one that we saved and we kept back on the road. Regrettably, I sold the car. One of the worst decisions of my life, and I've never been able to source another one again. Thanks for watching this short video guys, we hope you enjoyed it and there's more videos coming soon.